What you're seeing right now is not real. No actor, no studio, no recording, just one video, one AI model, and a few seconds of processing. This is what AI lip sync looks like in 2026.
The video you just saw is 100% AI generated. No actor, no recording studio, no editing team. Just one image, one tool, and a single click. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how to create your own AI avatar that speaks, sings, and honestly looks so real that people will not be able to tell the difference. AI influencers are everywhere right now. Viral baby podcasts, singing animals, talking photos. The creators making this content are blowing up, and most of them are using one tool that nobody is really talking about yet. Let me show you what it is. This is Lipsync.video, and it is honestly one of the most complete AI avatar creation platforms I have come across. 3 modules: lip sync tools, AI video tools, and AI image tools, all in one place. No complicated setup, no technical knowledge needed. You just log in and start creating. That's it. Now the main feature, the one that makes this tool genuinely special, is the lip sync section. And that's where we're going to spend most of our time today. Let me walk you through everything. So inside AI Lip Sync, you can upload your own video. Could be a clip of yourself, someone else, or any person you want, or you can just select one of the ready-made AI avatars they've already provided right here. I'm going to select one of the avatars, choose this one, confirm it, and now the important part, make sure you select the Lip Sync 2.0 model. This is the most realistic one they have. Don't use anything older than this. Now, you just type whatever you want your avatar to say. Anything. A product pitch, a funny line, a motivational quote, whatever you want. You can also hit the AI script button if you want the tool to generate a script for you automatically. Once your text is in, you pick the voice that matches your avatar. And here's something I genuinely didn't expect. You can also select the emotion of the voice. Happy, serious, excited, calm. The avatar doesn't just speak, it feels. Hit generate and just wait a few seconds. Look at that. The lip movement, the natural blinking, the way the voice matches the face. This is not a filter. This is not a face swap. This is a fully AI generated talking avatar. And it took less than a minute. Now, this is the feature that I think is going to blow your mind the most. Talking photo. And the name says exactly what it does. It takes any single photo and makes it talk. You can upload any image you want. A portrait, a historical figure, a character you've created, or choose from their sample avatars. Now type the text you want the photo to say. Or if you prefer, you can upload your own audio or even record directly from here. Both options work perfectly. And the most important thing here, select the talking photo 4.0 model. This is their best model. The results from 4.0 are on a completely different level compared to anything else. Hit generate. I am genuinely in love with this feature. The realism here is insane. Not a single AI tool I've tested generates results like this.
I've been waiting for someone to bring me back to life. Thanks to AI, here I am.
The lip movement is natural. The expression shifts with the emotion of the words, and it doesn't look AI at all. This is the kind of content that goes viral on its own, okay? Now, for my personal favorite part of this entire tool, singing animals. And yes, it does exactly what you think it does. Click on Lip Sync Tools, and you'll see singing animals right there. You can upload a photo of any animal, your pet, a random animal image, anything, or pick one of the avatars they've already loaded in here. Once you've confirmed your avatar, make sure you're on the Singing Model 2.0 for the best output. Then upload your audio track, up to 40 seconds, or record something directly. Pick your song, hit generate, and just wait.
May the children laugh and play, laugh and play, laugh and play. May the children laugh and play.
I really love the result. The animal actually sings along in sync with the music. The mouth moves with the beat. It looks genuinely fun and completely shareable. These types of videos are blowing up on Reels and Shorts right now, and this tool makes them in seconds. You've definitely seen those baby podcast videos on your feed. Tiny babies sitting at a desk, speaking like professionals, going absolutely viral. That trend is still massive right now, and this tool lets you create them in literally 1 minute. Click on AI baby podcast, upload a photo, or pick one of the sample baby avatars and select Talking Photo 4.0 model for ultra-realistic results. Type your script or generate a random one from here, pick your voice, choose the tone, and hit generate. The result is adorable and hilarious at the same time.
Hey besties, just wanted to share this amazing tool I found, AI Lipsync. I literally turned my voice note into a full video in like 60 seconds.
This is the kind of content that gets shared without anyone even thinking about it. Pure viral potential. And it takes less time to make than writing the caption. Now let me quickly show you the AI video tools section, specifically Seedance 1.5 Pro. And this one is honestly in a different league. This model lets you create videos for movies, advertisements, social media content, or animations. You upload a photo, write a prompt describing what you want the person to say and how they should say it. Turn on auto-generate audio and hit generate. The AI creates the video with voice and lip sync all at once.
I will either win or learn. No lose.
I uploaded a photo, gave it a prompt, and the result genuinely impressed me. Now let me quickly try the cinematic transition. Upload a first frame photo and an end frame, write the prompt, and generate. The output is cinematic, smooth, and looks like actual production footage. I extremely love what this model produces. And the last thing I want to show you quickly, the AI portrait generator. This is where you create your own AI avatar from scratch. Or you can also generate a character of your choice in just single click. You can also enter the prompt. You can choose anyone from here. Let's suppose I choose social media avatar and it gave me a prompt. Upload up to 5 reference images so the AI understands what you want the character to look like. Choose a style, pick your ratio, and hit generate. The quality is ultra realistic. But here's the part that ties everything together. Once your image is generated, click the video icon and instantly convert that image into a lip sync video.
Welcome everyone to my channel.
Your AI avatar, generated from scratch, now speaks in one workflow inside the same tool. AI influencers, talking avatars, viral baby podcasts, singing animals. All of this is possible right now, today, without any technical skills, without any expensive software, and without any prior experience. Lipsync.video is genuinely one of those tools that once you try it, you can't stop finding new ways to use it. The results speak for themselves, literally. I've dropped the link to this tool in the description below. You can check it out from there, try it yourself, and see what you can create. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe for more content like this, because we're just getting started with what AI can do. I'll see you in the next one.